Time signature. Time signature is the number written at the beginning of the stop after the clef sign. The upper number tells us the number of beats in every measure, while the lower indicates the kind of note that receives one beat. Where can we find the time signature? Simple time signature. We have the 2-4, 3-4, and 4-4. The upper number indicates the number of beats per measure, and the lower indicates the type of notes that gets one beat. For example, 2-4 time signature. In a 2-4 time signature, there are 2 beats in one measure, and a quarter note or rest receives 1 beat. Let's try. What note can you see? It is a quarter note. A quarter note has an equivalent of 1 beat. If a quarter note has 1 beat, how many quarter note do we need in one measure? We need 2 quarter note in a one measure. Don't forget to write a bar line to indicate a one measurement. Now, let's study the rhythmic pattern below. Three-four time signature. A 3-4 time signature has 3 beats in every measure, and quarter note gets 1 beat. Let us now try the 3-4 time signature. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 quarter notes in every measure of a 3-4 time signature. Let us now clap the rhythmic pattern below. 1, 2, 3. That is for the first measure. 1, 2, 3. That is for the last measure. 4-4 time signature. A 4-4 time signature is commonly used in simple musical composition. Now it's your turn. Kindly clap the 4-4 time signature. 1, 2, and 3, 4. And for the next one, 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. You did a great job. For our activity, I have here 3-4 time signature. And let's group the following notes by putting a bar line. So you can see the first note is 2/8 notes, and it has 1 beat as equivalent. The next one is a quarter note and a quarter rest with also 1 beat as equivalent. 1 half plus 1 half plus 1 plus 1 equals 3 beats. And now we can put a bar line after it because it is the first measure. The second one is a half note. A half note has 2 beats, and the quarter note has 1 beat. So we can put a bar line after it with 3 beats per measure. Next one, we have here 2/8 notes with the equivalent of 1 beat, or 1 half plus 1 half plus 1 half plus 1 half plus 1 with the 3 beats per measure. The next one is a dotted quarter note. Do you know the value of a dotted quarter note? The value is 1 and 1 half plus the 8th note 1 half plus the quarter note 1. We have 3 beats per measure. And lastly, we have 3 quarter note. 1 plus 1 plus 1 beat equals 3 beats per measure. It is the last part, so we can put a double bar line to indicate that this is the end.